Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I am definitely always looking for ways to add in extra lighting in my home. These awesome little puck lights from Proscredy provide lots of different ways that you can sneak in some light wherever it's needed. Each of the lights is about the size of a hockey puck. They feel really well constructed. They have a nice plastic exterior with the light completely on the top. They do not require any batteries, but rather you get a charging cord that allows you to charge two at once, so you save yourself some time right away. The back of the lights has a magnet itself on it. So if you're using these in a metallic surface, you will have no problem sticking them on, or you can use the adhesive magnets that it came with. Either way, you'll be able to have these up in no time and add in extra lighting, whether it be in your kitchen, in a cabinet, maybe you need a night light in your bathroom, anywhere that you need. If you stick them all in one area, it also includes a remote. So you can easily put these on with the remote. They all will come on at once. And you can add in a timer feature so that you're not using up the battery too quickly. I'm really impressed by the different options that the lights come with. There's 3 different lighting options that are super bright and white. These came in really handy for us last week. We lost power, and rather than having to hunt for a candle, we just popped them on and we had lighting in no time. If you need some extra lighting in your home, check these out. They are really well made and impressive, but that's just my point of view.